I have an Infiniti here. This one's getting a new front door, a small repair on the front fender, and then this rear door, it's an aluminum door. So I'm down here in an aluminum shop, and this door's messed up pretty good all the way across. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to work this out. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but once I get this door straightened out, I'll have to get it coated because I can't leave the bare aluminum. I gotta work on this steel quarter panel as well, so I won't be able to leave the bare aluminum open while I grind on this because it can cause cross-contamination between the two. So I'll get the door finished up, then I'll get into the quarter panel. So I'm going to try to clean off some of these scuff crap on here, and I'm gonna do some glue pulls. I'm gonna try to glue a tab right here and a tab over here and see if that'll bring this out to start with. But I gotta get this panel clean first. So now I'm trying to push some of this out with my PDR rods. I have it fished in the backside of this door, and I'm making some pushes while I warm it up with this heat lamp here. Alright, this metal straightened out pretty good. This side came out really good. Still a little in right here, but not a lot. I know from experience if I keep on trying to work it out, it's going to get loose. It's going to tin can on me and start being stretched out and start bouncing back and forth. So I decided to stop messing with that one little spot. But it came out pretty nice for the most part. So I got this rear door all straightened out. It's looking good. I fit up the front door to make sure it lined up with the rear door there and line up with the fender, got it all adjusted and fitting right. And now I have this dog leg quarter panel section right here. I'm gonna take this back upstairs. I'm gonna have to put a tab on this in order to bring that out. Or I might use our keys actually. I'll see when I get up there. But I need to bring that out and go ahead and straighten out this quarter panel now and get this one. Actually, it's pushed in down here too. Pushing a little bit down at the bottom, so I might have to put a couple tabs on it. But I'm gonna take it upstairs and get going on that part. So I just about have this one all wrapped up. This lines up real nice, have a nice gap with the door. But I was running my hand across it, and I noticed right here, there's no marks, but this body line kind of flattens out. And I think when this thing got hit, I think it scuffed it, and I think it pushed in right here and flattened out this body line a little bit. So I'm gonna grind right across that line. I'm gonna pull that out a little bit in order to straighten out that line.